Hi guys, this is Anmol from stallionauto. Welcome to my new vlog. In this vlog, I'll be unboxing the budget-friendly pair of lights for a bicycle, the headlight and the tail light. Let's start with the unboxing of headlight first, and let's keep the tail light aside. As you can see, this is the packing. So in the box, we get light, a mount or clamp to fix it on a handle, and you get a rubber. As you can see, the batteries are provided with the light. We got two buttons and three LEDs. Okay, with this, let's start with the second button. If you press second button once, it starts blinking, or you can say the flasher mode. Then after pressing the second button again, the mode changes, and third time, it starts constant, and it gets off after the fourth press. And with first button, as you can see, here's the speaker, so this works as a horn too. So this is a multifunctional light which serves both purposes, the headlight and as well as horn. So this is how it gets fixed. See, it's just plug and play. Now let's keep the headlight aside and start with the unboxing of the tail light. So as you can see, this is the box. I have ordered this from Amazon, and this is manufactured by, or you can say imported by, Strauss. And you can see the MRP. It's $4.99 printed over here, and it's imported in November 2020. That too from China. So first we get the clamp, which we have to fix under our seat. The rubber for grip, and then we get the light. Here's the light. It's got two modes, LED and laser. So these are the, you can say, from a place where, or the light from where lasers will come out. And this is where we have to put our cell. The batteries are not included. So let's install. Remember, we need AAA batteries for this one. Okay, so first I'll press LED switch. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3, Mode 4, Mode 5, Mode 6. Mode 7, and off. And with the laser switch, as you can see, lasers are coming out. So this is how it works. By pressing laser switch again, the lasers will start blinking and off. So remember, to turn it off, we have to go all the way from we have to select all modes, and then off comes. This is how it gets fixed. Here's the lock, as you can see. So it gets inside. To just take it out. It comes out this way. Both these lights are waterproof, so you can fix them on your bicycle and you can wash your bicycle with them installed. Okay, this taillight requires 2 AAA size batteries and headlight requires 3 AAA size batteries. I'll show you how bright they are. So let's start with the headlight first. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3. Once again. Lasers. Laser flash mode. Now I'll show you the night response of these lights and will show you how they look when installed on our bicycle. So guys, now I'll be showing you the night view of my lights. First I'll start with tail light. So you can see this is the laser beam. It actually creates a path. Now I'll switch on the LEDs. So this is basically the rear look. This is how it looks. Now I'll turn on the flash mode of laser. Please don't mind the right laser because the cycle is tilted to a bit towards left side. Now see. Now I'll show you the headlight. Can we see the tree? I'll change the mode. The headlight is quite bright as we get 3 LEDs. So this is how the bicycle looks. Flash mode. I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. I'll give the links in description. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay tuned.